Good afternoon. I am on Lela Court looking at this 4-bedroom Soundfront home in Waves. It's a gorgeous day. Normally this area here is known for its wind sports, but today there is a very light wind, so you have a lot of people paddleboarding today. We're going to go in on the ground floor. Here's the fish cleaning table and outside shower. Beautiful view of the water from every room. Pool table. So on this level you have this game room, a sitting area, a kitchenette with a full-size refrigerator, half bath, your hot tub is located right outside of this door, and you have a view of the sound as you sit in the hot tub. On your next level, there are 3 bedrooms, all with water views. Your bunk room. This bedroom faces the sound. It connects to the bath, which also connects to the hall for the bunk room. Here's a master on your second level. Your toilet's behind that half wall there. And you have a view of the water right from your bedroom. Beautiful kitchen and great room with amazing views of the water. I can't really seem to catch it on this video, but I'll go outside on the porch and shoot some for you. But you can see the ocean from up here. And of course you can have a spectacular view of the sound. So up here you have 2 separate sitting areas. A table here that seats 12. There's a powder room up here for folks that are staying up here on the great room level. Master bedroom here. Pretty big bathroom. Nice big closets too in every room. And on that second level, I missed it to show you, but there's a screened-in porch. Built-in seating up here. This deck is over 40 foot long, so you can really enjoy the views. Here's your beach down here. Bulkheaded. Front porch out here for grilling, and just so you can see it, there's the ocean. It's just can't ask for a house that has anything more than views of the ocean and the sound. Here we are in Waves. This is April Contestable. Give me a call if you're interested in this house, and I'll arrange a private tour for you. Thanks.